Have you ever faced a moment where you actually took your paint that's been in the closet for like years ago, only to find out that it is dry? Now you want to know what you want to do. Now many will actually use things such as thinner, or even another kind of thinner, or another kind. And also there are moments where you will also asked to suggest to use mediums and put inside. They're not all not wrong, actually, quite honest. But in this video, we're going to be trying out something else. This is Mr. Color's Replenishing... Wait, what's it called again? This is Mr. Color's Replenishing Agent from Mr. Color. So in this video, we're going to be using it on the paints. This is Omni Ming. Let's get to this. So here it is. This is the Replenishing Agent from Mr. Color. Now let me read this thing. The Replenishing Agent for restoring Mr. Color that has higher viscosity or is dry in the bottle. Well, sometimes there will be some rules and regulations over this. At times when they use some things like, if you use it on Tamiya, at times it won't work. I've tried it last time. But they say it's for Mr. Color. So let's go find one. Okay. So it was this one earlier. There it is. It's completely solidified inside. And this is a silver. Oh yeah. Let's try on silver this time. Let's begin. The results are pretty good. Look at that. Perfect. Just keep stirring it. You'll be fine. And make sure it's in a ventilated area as well, because this is lacquer. So yeah, we try it on the Mr. Color. Looks good so far. Let's try it on others. So my big guess sometimes when they say don't use like thinner to do the colors is because it is a different formula for that, and at times I have to really believe it actually. Last time I actually tried using thinner on acrylic paints and the thing sticks on my paintbrush and it's really a problem. I go and actually use acetone to actually remove all those paints coming out. So yeah, at times they are 100% correct, so sometimes I have to read the rules and regulation of how to go and do this. So yeah, this Replenish Agent is not thinner as what I'm going to say. It smells the same way, I better wear a mask. But it's not the same thing, I guess. Okay, there you go. New one. Now we're gonna try on Tamiya enamel paint. Now I do know that Tamiya's enamel paint have a lot of rules and restrictions, because if you use it on color acrylic paint, you got it wrong. You gotta read the word A or not, X4. If it has an A, that means acrylic or some sort. And I have to use this. I have to read the word enamel paint. X20 is correct for that, but if I get X20A, that's wrong. I don't know. It's a lot of things going on for the Tamiya paints. But today we're gonna try adding it on that. What it looks like, it actually is working very well. That. Now it looks great. So it concludes that we can use this for this. All in all, I'm confident with all of this to go on the Replenishing Agent. Now let's up the ante. We're gonna be adding it on Citadel. You can see this is a mess on the inside. It's already old and it's dry. Look at that, it does not come out. Now I tried to go and get the paint, but guess what? The paint is super stuck. Look at that. I actually poked it inside. Gonna add a lot more. Okay. Right, so first round. Oh my god. Ah. Ah, almost there. Oh, it moved. Okay. We have progress. It's making that sound, guys. Oh god! Oh! I guess that's working somewhere. Like I'm stirring on very strong peanut butter. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. Well, at least we got our own dry Citadel. Alright, let's see how it is. Okay. Well, they need to melt more, but hey, look at that. Kinda did work. If you got dry paints, ta-da! I was actually going to close the camera by now, but I also wanted to try one last thing over this. It's this. Look at it inside. That's very chunky. Let's see if this thing will liquefy it. Is it me or did my toothpick just melt as well? Let's see the moment of truth. I didn't fix it right. Maybe I can try to go and just put it in still and wait for one day. So, there it is, the replenishing agent from Mr. Color. What do I think of it? It is actually pretty useful for your acrylic paints and even enamel paints. Both of them as well. What I can say is that, yeah. So there's no restrictions over if you have to use Tamiya, if you can only use it for Mr. Color or Citadel, you stay away from that. It actually does its job. So let's go double check on the Citadel. It looks really good still. So yeah, that's what I think. Did anybody use the replenishing agent from Mr. Color? Let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. This is OmniMing. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you everybody. Bye. This video is brought to you by Underground Hobby Shop. Go to Lazada, type Underground Hobby Shop for all your Warhammer and miniature needs.